Hello and welcome to Why Not Watch. So we have a zaima Savia, and that is where you adjust the flame, and that's where you put in gas. I quite like this style. I also have this ronson, also a Veriflame, but I do still not remember which one it is. And it does have quite a dent in it, and it's not a hole. It's just a dent. It doesn't poke through. It does work, but it's sometimes a little hard to get it started. And then I also have this sarome electric, but once an electric that actually works. Yeah, that was 3 lighters from my collection that actually works. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.